A small home teaches discipline. Every inch matters. Every object has to earn its place, and furniture that can only do one job starts to feel indulgent. The Myroyalsit 51-inch Convertible Loveseat sofa bed understands that quiet pressure of limited space and responds with a simple promise. Be useful, be comfortable, don't ask for much in return. At first glance, it behaves like a proper love seat. Clean lines, a minimalist shape, solid wood legs, and a soft chenille fabric that feels warmer than expected. The 51-inch width makes it an easy fit in bedrooms, studios, dorms, or tight living rooms where a full couch would bully the space. It doesn't shout for attention, but it also doesn't disappear. The color options, especially the green, have subtle depth rather than flat factory dye, blending easily with modern or casual decor. Decorative pillows come included, and there are small storage pockets tucked where they actually make sense, not where a designer thought they looked clever. Sitting on it feels honest. The cushions are firm, but not punishing. High-density foam gives structure instead of sink, which helps explain why it comfortably supports up to 600 pounds. That firmness won't be everyone's favorite for long lounging sessions, and the backrest shape doesn't offer deep lumbar support. Extra pillows solve that quickly, and most people won't notice the issue unless they're particularly sensitive to lower back support. The seat height, around 19 inches, quietly makes life easier for people with knee trouble, standing up without the usual furniture gymnastics. The real personality shows when it folds out. Converting it into a bed takes seconds. No wrestling, no complicated mechanisms, no instructions taped underneath like a warning label. One smooth motion turns it into a surprisingly spacious sleeping area, measuring 83 inches long and 43.5 inches wide. That's enough room for adults, teens, kids, and the occasional family sleepover energy. Guests consistently remark on how comfortable it feels, especially considering its compact daytime form. It doesn't pretend to be a luxury mattress, but it doesn't punish the sleeper either. The firmness actually works in its favor for kids and short-term stays. Assembly lands somewhere between refreshing and suspiciously easy. About 60% arrives pre-assembled, all tools included, and most setups are done within 15 to 30 minutes. Instructions could be clearer, especially when figuring out top versus bottom orientation, but the process is forgiving enough to figure out by looking at product photos. Even solo assembly isn't intimidating, which says a lot in a world where furniture assembly often feels like a test of patience rather than skill. The build quality matches its purpose. It's sturdy enough for daily use, jumping kids, pets, and regular fold-outs, yet light enough to move around without help. The non-slip bottom keeps it from wandering across the floor, and the removable chenille cover makes cleaning far less dramatic than expected. Spills, pet messes, and everyday accidents don't linger as more, and there's no overwhelming factory smell out of the box, which feels like a small miracle in ready-made convertible furniture. This isn't a luxury statement piece, and it doesn't pretend to be. The frame may feel lighter than high-end furniture, the pillows may benefit from extra fill, and the firmness won't please those who crave a cloud-like sink. But value lives in honesty. For the price, it delivers comfort, versatility, easy maintenance, and design that respects small spaces, rather than fighting them. The Myroyalsit Loveseat sofa bed fits a specific kind of life. Apartments that host guests, bedrooms that double as living spaces, homes where furniture has to work harder than usual. In that role, it performs quietly and reliably, which might be the highest compliment furniture can earn.